So, how much money can you make with your own lawn care business? That's a question that we are often asked by guys who are just getting started with their lawn care business, as well as guys who have been in it a while and are looking to ramp up their business and make even more money. So we've programmed this kind of fun earnings potential calculator into our website. I'll put a link in the description below. But it just shows you the potential you can make with your own lawn care business. Of course, it depends how big your equipment is, how aggressive you are at your advertising, your individual work ethic. Those things will all go into the amount of money you can make based on your individual experience in the lawn care industry. But let's take a look at this, and we'll just start out by saying, what if you can mow 3 yards a day and you have an average price of, let's just say, $25 per yard, and you work 2 days a week. Let's just say you work on the weekends, doing 3 yards on Saturday, 3 yards on Sunday, or 3 yards on Friday and 3 yards on Saturday. You can make about $150 a week. That's not too bad for just a quick little part-time effort mowing grass. But let's say you grow your business a little bit and you can mow 5 yards a day, and since you're mowing with bigger equipment, you're going to be mowing larger yards. Let's say your average price is $30, and let's just say you work 3 days a week. All of a sudden, you can see that you're making an extra $450 a week. That's not bad for part-time work. But let's say you grow your business even larger, and let's say you get to the point where you can do 15 yards a day, and you're doing exclusive type jobs, and you're charging $45 average, and let's just say that you're working 5 days a week. You can see that your potential income jumps up to $3,375 per week, $3,375 per week. That is a nice chunk of change. Anyway, if you want to play around with this estimating calculator, be sure to check our website. It's startalawncarebusiness.com. We also offer a professionally produced lawn care business package, which will teach you how to start a lawn care business as well as expand an existing lawn care business. Tons of tutorials, lots of information in the manuals, and it also comes with a series of estimating software. Check us out, www.startalawncarebusiness.com.